Hi Orange Belts, we're really excited to show you this video tutorial. It's probably one of the most prettiest kicks in Taekwondo. It's called the side kick. So I have Master Joe, I have Master Lee, and also Master Lee that will be demonstrating some side kicks for you. And we're going to point out some tips so that you guys can practice at home. 차례! 경례! Fighting stance, 준비! Hiya! Middle section side kick. 하나! 둘! High section side kick. 하나! 둘! 바로. Now, wasn't that beautiful? What you probably noticed was how they were able to flex their kick and hold it in place for a few seconds while keeping their body angle up. So unlike the roundhouse kick, where you bring your knee up and across, with the side kick, you have to bring your knee across on an angle to begin with. The key with the side kick is that you're kicking with the side of your foot, and you have to keep your foot flexed sideways. So I'll have Master Lee demonstrate in the camera one more time so you guys know what we're talking about. So Master Lee, come forward.
Yes, sir.
And facing the camera, fighting stance, 준비.
Hiya!
And if I can have you just do a side kick middle section. One, and hold it out. Notice how she has her foot sideways, and look at the way she keeps her body up. Let her do the side kick sideways, facing this way. One. Now notice the way she has her foot pivoted. She actually has her foot pivoting 180 degrees. One more time. Two. 바로. So the key with the side kick is make sure that you snap your kick and flex it in place for a fraction of a second. So make sure you guys are practicing that kick at home, and if you have any questions, ask the instructors in class.